In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments on ClickUp. Comments are one of the simplest ways to keep conversations tied to the work that matters. Instead of chasing messages across chats or email, you can share updates right inside the task so everyone stays on the same page. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can start commenting with confidence. First, open ClickUp and head to the overview area of your team space or workspace. The overview is your high-level home base where you can see what's happening across your space. If you're already deep inside a list or a specific view, use the sidebar to jump back to overview. This gives you a clean starting point to drill into the right work. From overview, select your project. In ClickUp, your project might appear as a space, folder, or list, depending on how your workspace is organized. The idea is the same. Click into the project that contains the work you want to discuss. You'll see the tasks tied to that project, along with their statuses, assignees, and due dates. Next, choose the task you want to comment on. Clicking a task opens its details panel or full page view, depending on your layout. This is where all the task-specific information lives: description, assignees, attachments, and activity history. If the task has subtasks, you can comment on the parent task or open the specific subtask to keep your message focused where it belongs. Now, click into the comment field. You'll find a box labeled something like add a comment or write a comment near the bottom of the task view. Type your message clearly and concisely. Aim to make it actionable. State what changed, what you need, or what decision was made. When you're ready, post the comment by pressing enter or selecting the send icon depending on your settings. A few helpful tips while you're here. If you need someone's attention, mention them so they receive a notification and can respond quickly. You can also attach files or screenshots directly into your comment to give context without forcing people to dig elsewhere. If you're sharing a longer update, consider using simple formatting to make it easy to scan. And remember, comments become part of the task's history, so they're great for documenting decisions and keeping a traceable record of progress. That's all there is to it. Go to overview, open your project, pick the task, and add your comment. With these steps, your communication lives right where the work happens, making collaboration smoother, faster, and easier to track.